Sandali na. Okay pa ba kayo sa gilid? Yes. Bale, may screen na rin sila. Our keynote speaker is an emerging mental health professional and graduate student in clinical psychology. Paano to every sentence? With a strong foundation in both academic excellence. Sana matapos ko yung intro. And applied practice. She earned her Bachelor of Science in Psychology from Southville International School and Colleges in 2021. E paano pa itong sasabihin ko to? Graduating cum laude and consistently recognized as a Dean's Merit Award. One paragraph pa lang yun. Alright. Yeah, for your information, ang ating keynote speaker was also previously a participant in our PACSA convention. In fact, nung ginasabihan kayo ng MCs ng Anotara, nag-Anotara din siya. Participate talaga siya. So siya ang naging representative ng school niya ng Southville dun sa PAPJA undergraduate thesis competition. So, bahagi talaga siya ng family ng PAPJA. Yeah. So, building on her academic training, our keynote speaker has pursued specialized certifications that bridge clinical practice and well-being promotion. She is a certified positive psychology coach and interpersonal psychotherapy level A practitioner and a licensed ear acupuncture detoxification specialist. Currently, she is pursuing a Master of Arts in Clinical Psychology with a specialization in Family and Marriage Therapy. Her long-term goal is to contribute to expanding access to mental health services and to establish her own clinic dedicated to holistic and culturally responsive care. Ito na talaga. Papunta na talaga tayo. Saan?
Exciting part!
Sa exciting part. Let's give a warm round of applause to our keynote speaker, Miss Jody Santa Maria.
I have never been welcomed this way. Maraming salamat sa init, di ba? Thank you very much. And I just want to say good morning sa ating mga future psychologists. Excited na kayo? I'm also so excited for you guys. Really. When I entered the hall kanina, nakita ko kayong lahat. It gave me so much hope. It filled my heart with joy. Na nakakita ko ito yung future. So maraming salamat. Thank you. Again, paulit-ulit sinasabi, but really, thank you for being here. And of course, to our incredible, hardworking teachers, mentors, magandang araw din po sa inyo. Ako po si Jody Santa Maria. It's really an honor to be standing here in front of you. For the 39th convention. So, story time lang ng content mo. Nung natanggap ko yung invitation, sabi ko, shucks, totoo ba to? Parang gusto ko siyang gawin. Sabi ko dun sa team ko, ano daw ang theme? And then they said, Futurescaping Psychology, our role in attaining the Sustainable Development Goals. Futurescaping. Sabi ko, baka hindi ako makaabot sa exciting part niyan, parang ayoko na. But, you know, it's okay because we're always up for a challenge and sige, simulan na natin. So, Futurescaping